Notice how on this side, we've covered up the elastic. Okay, let me share with you how we've gone through and covered up that elastic. I'm going to take a section, and I'm going to take rather a large section so it's visible. And one thing I'm going to do, instead of me going back to the old days of wrapping this around and using a grip to clip that, we're going to go through and I'm going to take a hairpin. And with a hairpin, what I'm actually going to do is use it as a tool to bring that hair through. Let me share with you what I mean. Watch, I'm going to take two hairpins. We're going to take the closed end, the U side, and we're going to place it underneath the elastic. Now, once we have that, we're going to use another hairpin. We'll use that in a moment. I'm going to hand that to Janine. Okay, look what I have here. Now we're going to come through the action of this. You want to palm and pinch that. So I palm and pinch, and now I wrap. And I wrap. Notice I'm wrapping with tension. See, I'm wrapping that with a lot of tension. Okay, palm and pinch. Lift the thumb and wrap and pull, close down on that tension. Wrap. Now I'm at the point where I have enough hair. I want you to think like a fashion designer, a needle and thread. Now you're going to come through, you're going to open up that pin, catch this hair, press one leg inside, another leg inside, and thread this through. Okay? Now once I threaded that through, I'll place it here. Now I pull here and push here. Now let's think about this. That hairpin is underneath the elastic. I just caught the hair inside the pin. Now once we've done that, what you want to do is just release the whole thing. Look for your hairpin. Here's my hairpin. Okay, then all I'm simply going to do is grab that hairpin and come through and pull. And because I have product on my hands, sometimes your hands will slip, but just come through and just pull. And now you can see by pulling that through, I've been able to cover up that elastic. Just a great way to go and cover the elastic without using a grip and wrapping the hair around it. So once again, find as many ways as you can to do things in a different way.